So what'd you think about your ride?
You ready to go, Jacob? Yep. Let's go get in there. Let's get this ride going.
Can you get it? Yeah, grab that yellow handle and just pull down on it. There you go.
I'll let you push the start button for us there after you get buttoned up and you can start this bad boy up. Just push it and turn it loose. There you go. Is it loud?
The camera is. I set it up. It's already recording.
Good. Excellent.
Hey, remember.
You want to rev? Y'all want to rev?
Hey.
Want to rev? Sure. Dang, this loud. How fast can it go? 217. Dang. It hates first gear. You feel how jerky it is? Yeah. It's like, let's go. Let's go. Sundays is always a great day because traffic's not bad. We can't go real fast because we're just not allowed to go fast, but we can get up to speed pretty quick, you know? And that's what's the fun part. Yeah. But there ain't no traffic in our way usually. Oh. What school you go to? Sparkman High. Sparkman High. I had a cousin who went to Sparkman. You play hockey? Yep. That's what your mom said on the phone. What position? I know nothing about hockey, so... I just play forward. Forward, okay. I guess that's... Is that always on the offense? Most of the time. I bet you're fast. Yeah. What's the hardest they ever hit you? Oh, sometimes I get hit pretty hard. Knocked you out? I don't think so. Never been knocked out. You ever got breath knocked out of you? Just that. Just that. Where do y'all play at around here? Usually around the Iceplex. Okay. It's like down there. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know where it is over there off of Airport Road. Or Lehman Ferry or something like that. Yeah. So you had to stay in, I believe your mom said you had to stay in St. Jude for like 2 years? Yes, sir. Do you remember any of that, or was that? I just remember, like, I was very tired a lot. Very tired. Had to get a lot of chemo. Yeah, and that's what they said, they hit you with the strongest chemo there is. Yeah. It must be nice to have your wife's brother be a cancer doctor. Yeah. Yeah, he kind of like, yeah, let's do this, let's help. So good. Would you expect the car to be this loud? Not up close. That's super nice though. Thank you, thank you. I gotta vacuum it out, it's a little dirty. Have you ever been in an exotic car like this or anything? This is my first. Nice. What's your dream car? I know you like cars, I love cars, everybody loves cars, especially guys. I'm not sure. Like it's kind of hard to have a dream car because like my mom's like, oh, you need to just think of something that's like cheaper. It puts the car in neutral if you're setting the red light too long, so I just go ahead and put it in neutral by myself. One time I forgot that it put it in neutral and I hit the gas to go, rev the engine, just setting it. Oh good, we'll get a good one from here, maybe from this red light. still take treatment, but I had to do chemo for 18 treatments. I did it. Yeah, 18 treatments is what I did. I go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off for 2 weeks. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday off for 2 weeks. Like that. And then it got it like into remission. I don't know if you call it remission. It got it, you know, because the kind I got you can't never get rid of. But it got it out of my system long that they didn't really see it. And then for about 6 months, and I told Dr. Dang, I was like, he's like, I want to do Rituxan with you for health maintenance, because he's like, keep it off longer. I'm like, I can feel it in my chest. Some reason my chest hurts right there when my cancer is back. Like, I can feel it. He's like, there's no way it's back. He's like, I'll do a CAT scan to see. And he did a CAT scan. He's like, it's back. He's like, it's back. So no need to do the maintenance with Rituxan. So, but then I started some clinical trial pills, and some of them didn't work, some did, and a few of them worked pretty good for a while. And now it's what I'm on I don't even know, some crazy name, but it's working right now. Doing good. Do you have to take a maintenance pill, or you're just completely in remission?
So far I just had to do like a checkup every 6 months.
Good for you. How'd you get into hockey?
I don't know, I guess like watching the movie Miracle, and then like I just found it on TV, and it just looked really fun. Seeing how fast they went on ice.
Yeah. I can't skate. I've tried it. I can go straight, but when it comes down the third, I just have to hit the wall or fall. And I can't go straight very fast. Ahead of us. There's nobody behind us. Oh, lights turning red already. Good Lord, we didn't get to go 1 second. Okay, you ready, buddy?
Yep.
You love it?
Yeah.
What's your goal to be when you get older? You want to be a doctor like your brother, or you want to
Either that or like I'm kind of leaning towards like a sports manager who like makes all the trades and stuff.
like sports stuff?
Yeah.
I like sports stuff too. I just wasn't good enough to make it. You want to be a coach, or just like sports med?
Just like the general manager, I guess. Like sign players, make the trades.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, that'd be fun. That'd be really fun. I think I've seen a movie like that. I can't remember the name of the movie, but he was a NFL recruiter and made trades and stuff. Did you see that movie?
I think so.
Can't remember what the name of it is, but it was a really good movie. So what's your favorite part, taking off or the big old pops in the back?
Probably taking off.
Taking off? I like taking off too. Ooh!
It's freaking awesome, man.
Push start button, we've done it. Good job. You know how to get out? Excellent, man. You got that part down pat too.
All right, buddy. So what'd you think about your ride?
That was awesome.
It was awesome. You have a good time?
For sure.
For sure. Awesome. We heard you get on it.
That is fantastic. Thank you. My gosh. What's the story behind you?
He's my doctor.
I'll tell you.
Yeah, I know the story.
Go for it.
Oh no! I'll tell privately. Don't you
Oh,
want to take
okay.
your time?
Oh no, we want it. We want it told.
Oh, okay. Before you take, you wanted to tell about you?
Tell all you want to tell. I'm good to go.
Okay. Even your diagnosis.
Yep.
Okay. So Brian has a diagnosis of chronic lymphocytic leukemia, and years ago, when Brian was getting treatment with chemotherapy, and he was quite sick, and one day I believe you saw on Facebook about a kid that also was diagnosed with some kind of cancer, and his wish was to have the ability to ride in a car like this. What do you call it?
Exotic car.
Exotic car, right? So Brian had in his heart that if he's gonna survive leukemia, someday he's gonna purchase an exotic car, and his wish is to give cancer patients the opportunity to ride in it and to give them joy and peace and appreciation for beautiful things in life. And Brian succeeded and overcome the leukemia, and his dream came true, and he was able to purchase this beautiful car, and he's been doing this for a couple months now, and it's so incredible. It's an example of giving back and giving forward. And,
Yep.
I'm just so overjoyed and overwhelmed to see this, and we appreciate you so much, Brian.
Well, thank
It's
you. No, I
such a-
appreciate you so much.
Thank you, Brian, at Small Wow, for giving me this ride, and we look forward to you guys smiling with us.
Yeah! Lamborghini!
That's good stuff.